Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at how we can add templates and also pre-tag them if we're using a document really often. So here from our homepage, we're going to go here to templates, and let's upload a new template we want to use. So we'll go here, and we're going to upload template, and let's do this document. So here we see the document that we want to use as a template is here. And let's pre-tag the fields so that every time we come to this, the same information is being filled out by us and the signer. So here in this travel consent form for a child, we're going to have fields that are going to be the same every time we invite a signer to a session. So here where it says I, the name of the parent legal guardian, we're going to make that the primary signer. So let's press the hotkey of 1 to put the primary signer's name, and we're going to put it here. I am the parent legal guardian of, let's put the hotkey of 8 for signer input, and we'll put child's name. And let's put that field right here, whose date of birth is, and this is another thing that the parent will know. So let's put the hotkey of 8. We'll put child date of birth. Put that here. Consent for my child to travel with. And so we're going to put another hotkey of 8, and we're going to say person traveling. And we're going to put that here. Name of traveling adult, to, and destination. So let's put another signer input here. Destination. And keep in mind that this seems like all the information is on top of each other, but when the person fills out this information, we can resize it so that it fits nicely into all of these fields. So they're traveling from and the first date of travel. So let's put signer input again. Date of travel. And then the date of return. So let's put 8 and we'll put date of return. And we'll put that information right here. So now we want to make sure that whenever our signer comes, they can include travel details. So let's do the hotkey of 8 and we'll do travel details here. Now we want to put the signature of the parent guardian giving consent, and that's going to be our primary signer. So let's press the hotkey of S, and that's going to be the primary signer signature. And we're going to press hotkey of 1 for the primary signer's printed name and their address. So let's do the hotkey of 8 and put in address. And we want to put an hotkey of 8 for their phone number. And we'll move that here. So now we can also put in our information each time. So let's just put our notary signature. Let's press the hotkey of S. So we know where we're signing, and let's put our notary seal by pressing N. And we know that each time we sign, our seal goes in this box. Let's also just add our commission expiration date, the hotkey of 7. My commission expires. And we'll put the date. So let's put D. And this is great when we add the date because this will be replaced with the real session date when an actual signing is happening. So every time we sign, this date will be updated. And we'll put that here. I'm going to leave the state of, county of blank just so I know I have to fill that out each time I'm doing the venue. So now we have a fully prepared template for each time we sign this document. And what we'll do is go to menu, and save template fields. So here it is, and it's ready. So when we're inviting a person to a session, when we use this template, all of those fields will be pre-populated and ready for our signer. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow our channel for more online notary updates.